Hey guys, I will show you how you can edit this page and make it your own. So first of all, we will change this title. So this is the title and whatever you put inside here will be shown there. If I put this, it will be shown there. It will change like this. So let's keep it for now. And the second thing you can change is instead of this plain I love you text, you can like put a name or something. So for example, I can do um, P M O O and this, or you can do whatever you want. Now it will work exactly the same. As you can see, you can change it to whatever you want. Just change the text between, and it will work. And for music, I have put Young Kai is blue, but you can change to whatever you want. Just go inside music and bring your music here and rename it to music.mp3 and delete this existing music and it will work. The source code will be in the description and let me know if you need any help. Thank you.